I'm like
We had a 4 hour gap tap in. We had a 5 minute
overly
gap
done with
tap
Asia.
in.
Like to the max,
I s-
overly.
bro,
Yeah, no, same me
I
too,
was
bro. But
so tempted. No, give. I was so tempted to take it on my phone there, but I'm like, no, I'm not doing it.
no, that's
Fuck
why I
that.
took a paper
Don't.
trade, bro, because
Me
I'm
too,
so tired of like Asia being retarded. So
bro.
I'm like, I'm gonna just paper trade it, you
Realistically,
know.
yeah. Because realistically, bro, Asia's
And
gonna be
I
shit
took
again.
like I put crazy ass stop loss and a crazy take profit, and it ended up hitting, bro. I don't
No
even know
way.
how.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, sir. Alright, boys, let's go. Alright, yo. Welcome back. We got day 4. We're gonna do liquidity today. Liquidity
What's
is
up, YouTube? Hell yeah.
day day 4. Liquidity. Liquidity is resting orders in the market. It's lucky just the definition. Oh wait, let me share my
Uh,
screen. Let me share my screen.
Hella liquidity.
Liquidity. Liquidity. Resting orders above and below prices. Okay, liquidity. Uh, what was I gonna show? Let's see. We have where's liquidity? Where's liquidity found? Okay, where's liquidity found? Where is liquidity? I can't spell for shit. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Psychology, clearly. Okay, where's liquidity found? Liquidity is found below lower lows, above higher highs. Let me draw an example.
Liquidity is what's sitting there above highs and below lows, just what
Boom,
with no
boom,
retrace whatsoever.
boom,
Just
boom. Okay,
beautiful.
so right here, liquidity would be right here, right here, right here, right here. And liquidity would be here because people have orders placed for buys and sells both right here. It just depends on which side market wants to really push. It's gonna sweep those orders and it's gonna push the other way. Like this is an uptrend. So let's say we're in an uptrend. People hit like a certain price right here. Let's say we like hit say it's a little low right here, right? This is a 4 hour low. Market comes, sweeps this shit, takes it out, or here. There we go. Market takes that low out. We push back up. We have people selling. Boom, people sell. We build liquidity right here. We have resting buy orders here. We sweep them out and then we push higher. People sell here again. We have resting buy orders. We push up. Same thing over and over. It's just resting orders. And then these resting orders, if there is resting sell orders here eventually, let's say there's a 4 hour high up. Let's say like a 4 hour high up here, right? What a liquidity sweep would be. We come up, we sweep that 4 hour high. So all these orders that are there on the high time frame that people placed way before from fucking I don't know how long ago, they all get swept. Once they get swept, it's a whole bunch of orders, and the market makers want to place their orders when they see people pushing price up, right? They market makers always want to go the opposite direction. That's why market always moves. Us retail traders, we want to move as market makers, not as just regular retail traders. So let's say people are pushing price up. Market makers have a bunch of sell orders. Once you get up here, the 4 hour highs, there's gonna be a bunch of buy orders. But what is market makers gonna do? Market makers are gonna place their sell orders so they can exchange them for the buy orders. They absorb each other, right? So it evens out almost. But they usually have a higher market makers always have a higher number of orders compared to retail traders. Market makers have more orders compared to retail traders. What does that do? Market opportunity to we sweep that high and then we market makers fill in all those orders and we come either down and then let's say we sweep this one, we come back up here a little retrace. It just depends on what market wants to do. We can come back up. If not, we can come up, retrace, hit like an imbalance in market right here, come back down. It just depends on a bunch of conditions, but that's pretty much what liquidity is. Just resting orders above below price. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's what liquidity is. Now, buy side versus sell side liquidity. Cool, 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 cool. That was buy side liquidity. Just orders resting below higher lows. Let's do Buy side versus sell side. Buy side versus sell side. Geet, you wanna do this one?
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Yeah, you want to share yours so you can draw it?
Okay, look.
So it's
My
probably easier
fitting
too.
you sucks ass though, bro.
You just gotta draw it, bro. That's literally it. You don't need anything. Here, I got you. I'm just full screen this, jiddle it. Hope you guys see this shit. Yeah, we good. Y'all fools see this shit. Are we good? Fuck, I need water, bro. I feel like I'm gonna die of thirst right now. Okay, there you go.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, I see that. Huh?
Yeah.
Let me.
Alright.
Yeah, that's cool.
Liquidity. Liquidity.
Query. Query. I do what you gotta do.
Man.
Buy side or sell side?
Alright. Shit, bro. What the hell? Buy side versus both side. Alright, so where's the where the hell's my drawing tool, bro?
The brush, the first one, yeah, brush.
It's a brush? Okay.
Yeah.
So buy side liquidity will be my drawing, bro. That will be and oh my god, what the
Just use the tool thing, the fucking line.
dude, I've never used this, bro.
No, use the line thing. The other one.
Oh that?
No, here, click it. Go down. It should be. No. Maybe the one below that. Keep on down. Can you do down more now? That's it.
No, that's it.
Wait, let me check what it's called. Let's see.
Is it just a trend line?
Oh, I got you. Go to the brush one, but click the arrow next to it. No, one above. Path. There it is.
There we go.
Just tap every one, then to stop it, you double tap. Cool. Let's see. My nigga. Can I make this? Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh, shit.
Big as it goes.
Alright.
Oh, there. Okay, full screen. That's you.
Alright, so for buy side, it's literally just like Gary just said. Or my bad, g.tradezz just said. It's literally just orders sitting at the top. It would literally just be orders for the buy side, just orders sitting up there. Orders just sitting at the lows. Same for sell side, just orders sitting at the lows and highs. Like right here, all these. But my drawing is pissing me off. Holy shit, I'm blinking out right now, bro.
That's low
Dude,
key.
I'm not gonna lie, I can't. Yeah, literally, bro.
Yeah, it's literally just orders sitting below and above prices. Like sell side is literally just the opposite of buy side. Buy side is just opposite of sell side. Sell side, the liquidity sweeps from the top up, so it sweeps highs, pushes lower, and the buy side just sweeps lows and pushes higher. That's pretty much it. But if you guys remember from yesterday's video too, the trends one or trend lines, it was similar. We showed you what trends are, so now you just gotta put that into play. So let's say we attach two trends together, an uptrend and a downtrend. If the uptrend gets reversed to the downtrend, why did it get reversed? You gotta figure that out. It's probably because of a liquidity sweep, an imbalance, or something else. But most of the time, if it's a high time frame move, it is because of a liquidity sweep. There was orders resting above, let's say like a high on a 1 hour chart, and then let's say people are pushing the price up. Market makers, let's say they have a bunch of sell orders from before they need to fill in. They can't just fill it at any time. They need to find a good time where people are actually willing to buy contracts so they can sell contracts to the people trying to buy. Once they do that, once they find like a big amount of orders, which are usually sitting above the highs, that's why we call it a liquidity sweep, because all those orders get filled all at once. The market makers and the retail traders. So that's literally why it's called liquidity sweep as well. So that's that. Good shit, bro. Then next, let's go over. Let's do breakout versus liquidity sweep. Okay. Let's see. Go. You wanna do it?
Yeah, what is it?
Breakout versus liquidity sweep.
What's breakout? What do you mean breakout?
Breakout, like, or
The
here
breakout
you wanna,
structure.
yeah, you wanna do the example of liquidity sweep after?
I'll do sweep.
Okay, okay,
Wait,
let
would you
me
say breakout and what, Gary?
breakout versus liquidity sweep, like a breakout of price compared to liquidity sweep.
Okay, here, let's do it.
Yeah, okay, let's see.
Breakout
Oh my fucking.
versus liquidity.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to change my.
A liquidity sweep basically is a fake breakout. So a breakout would be, let's say price is in a range, and fuck my bad. Let's say price is in a range, or we're consolidating in like a single range. When price comes either up or down, let's say it looks like it's gonna be a breakout and price is gonna continue in that direction. Sometimes price just sweeps those orders from the lows and pushes up the other way. A breakout would be if the price actually follows through instead of actually sweeping the highs. You know, that's why it's called a breakout, because we break out of that range, or we break out of the range and push one way. And the liquidity sweep is called because we sweep that and come back the other way. So
Wait,
yeah,
yo, Gary.
All right, so let's do
yo,
an example of that.
I have a
So
wait. Oh shit, sorry. I want to show example of that.
of the
go
what?
ahead, go ahead.
Liquidity sweep.
Well, we'll just do the liquidity. Yeah, just do the liquidity sweep after. We'll do it like on the actual chart. Like, don't draw
What
it
are you doing?
out.
Are you doing breakout right now?
Breakout versus liquidity sweep, and then after we're gonna show examples of like liquidity sweep on the actual chart, like with the candles.
All right. Let me know when that is. I'll do
Yeah,
it.
that's you after.
All right, so for a breakout would be, let's say
Bad
we're in
psychology.
but,
Bad rain, bad rain. Locked in, locked in.
all right, so for a breakout, it would be, let's say we're in an uptrend, right? And
Let's say uptrend, and like put like consolidation there, like a little bit, like right next to it. Just put like
yeah,
consolidation.
So we start consolidating like
Boom, boom,
that,
boom. Oh yeah, perfect.
right? And so the market just starts consolidating. And so a breakout would be when we break either the lows down here or the highs at the top right
Yeah,
there, which would be a break of structure, which we're just breaking out the consolidation that's happening
yeah.
around here, and we're continuing the trend either to the upside or either to the downside.
If we
So
break the
it would look
lows, yeah, if we break the lows, then it would be a break of structure. If it's just an upside, then it's just continuation of structure
just
with a break,
continuation
yeah,
of
breakout, yeah.
a trend, right? So for if it's a breakout, it would have to be just we would have to just go down, but a, a break of structure would be right here, since we would break these lows all these lows would get
Yeah.
broken, and we would,
And
if the
structure
candle
got,
closes down there,
yeah, and structure got broken because we broke that high too. The high right before the consolidation.
right,
The low, my bad. The low, fuck, my bad.
right. So we just broke that, so that a confirmation of break of structure, meaning that
Yeah.
the trend is gonna continue going that direction. That's basically a break of structure.
Yeah.
Um,
Break it. And then
now
look.
for liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep would be we're in an uptrend, right? Holy shit, this sucks ass. Uptrend right there. Yo, right, so right, so for liquidity sweep, it
My
would be
bad.
we're in an uptrend, right? So we
My
have all
ADHD
this
kicked.
yo, we have liquidity sitting right here. All these right, all the lows. We have liquidity sitting right there,
Draw like
and we're in an uptrend. So
draw like a random like 4 hour high just like on the side that it like sweeps or some shit.
a 4 hour high, you said?
Yeah, or just like any high like next to it, like just like a random like hump basically next to it, like on the highs,
Like
that we
right
sweep.
here,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, right below it, right
Okay.
below it. So it's like sweeping it, you know.
Okay.
Just draw it. Don't fucking put the paths. Oh, okay, yeah, fuck it, I guess.
Oh, never mind.
Just do like some quick shit, bro. Doesn't matter.
No, no,
Like,
yeah. Let me just draw like a candle here.
yeah, just draw like a hump. Yeah, there you go. Fuck it, yeah.
Yeah. We have a candle right here. All right.
Let's hit
So
the teal one's like a 4 hour high, right? There we go.
yeah. That's like a 4 hour high right there. So
Type shit.
right. So liquidity sweep would literally just be we're going up there. So that 4 hour high that's sitting there, right there, right? Price is going up there, and it would touch, like it would barely just touch into that top right there, right? And then it would just continue back down. That's literally just a liquidity sweep, just
Yeah.
taking out all the liquidity sitting up at the high, or if it's in the other way, it's just taking out the lows.
Yeah,
So
basically
Yeah.
just like a fake breakout. It's like price
big
breakout would be
breakout, right?
breakout would just be price. If this was a breakout, price would continue higher. If it's not a breakout, it's gonna sweep those orders on the top and then come back down because market makers had an opportunity to fill in their sell orders. Yo,
Right.
G.tradezz. I have
what's
a good example.
what's up, Cam Trades? What's up, Cam Trades?
And so if it's usually if the wick of the candle that should do the liquidity sweep, it should go above, but the candle should not close
Yeah,
in order for it to be a liquidity sweep.
but low
That's
key,
If the
that's on the
candle
high time
if the
frame.
candle
On the high time frame. If on 1 minute
on
candle,
on
yeah,
the high
yeah.
time frame,
Because 1 minute sometimes candle closes
on the
above
low
it
time
and then
frame, yeah,
boom,
it could go above,
and the next
as
candle.
long as
boys.
right after it comes back down, forming on a higher time frame, that would be just a candle, but just with a higher wick, the body just much lower.
Yeah. All right, boys.
So that would be a liquidity sweep right there.
Let me show you example.
All right, and now Cam Trades, that's all you, bro.
Cam Trades.
So, you share as the screen, brother.
Show your shit, dog.
One sec. Okay. Right here. Y'all see this? See the screen?
No.
Nah.
One sec.
Oh wait, I'm lying. Yeah, I see it.
That ain't. Bro, what? Where do you see his screen?
I see
You see it now?
Yeah.
Oh, now I see it.
Okay. So I just set this example real quick, right? While y'all were talking. So right here, we can clearly see this is right here, right? Asia session right here, right? This is just like hypothetical, right? We're talking about liquidity sweeps, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
What do you
basically,
think,
right?
Liquidity sweeps and breakout structure. So try to find examples of both, please, if you can.
I'm just draw it out. It's just like I'm just showing the liquidity sweeps. So like, they're I mean you already explained what they are, but I'm just showing like another example. So like
Mhm.
basically, right? Let's see age. Let's say this is how I would look at it. Let's say this like right here, this right here. This is the lowest point of Asia right here. And let's say like Asia hypothetically it just ends like we just go back up. We end like right here. Asia ends like right here, right? What London whatever London does, but if it wants to, it could come down first, sweep out these orders right here, sweep all this out, and just for it to push back up. This would literally just be a liquidity sweep right here, just for it to push back up, and then literally the same thing for this side. If it doesn't have to come down here, it could if it wants to, it could end right here. It could like shoot all the way up here and then start pumping down too. It doesn't have to just come down. It could if it wants to, it could go up here and then it could just shoot right back down. And I mean that's just like another confluence for like it's another confluence for like yeah for like a strategy or whatever y'all want to do. There's another confluence right here. That's all I want to say.
For sure. WCam trades in the chat. In the
Good shit, good shit. Yeah.
shot.
So we keep that right there. Come on. Oh,
Oh,
my.
that's cool.
I got you.
Oh, okay. Green fucking it. Fucking the tool in
Yeah,
the
look, I
Google.
like this. So yeah, for the liquidity sweep, it's basically just whenever
Oh
one
shit,
market
wait.
session opens,
I don't see this fucking
it's
shit. Oh, we good.
you good, you good. All right.
My
So
bad,
basically,
battery.
just when a new market session opens, it's gonna try to look. It's gonna try to go for um one of the either the highs or the lows from the previous session. So what we usually look for is we try to see which way it's gonna go or which liquidity it's gonna try to take out. So it's gonna be either the highs right there, like Cam just showed, or it's gonna be the highs or the lows, right? So whenever the new session market opens, right, it's gonna try to manipulate either or it's going to try to do a liquidity sweep either on the previous session lows or the previous session highs, and then it's going to try to reverse off that.
Yeah. So like literally for
W niggas.
same thing for London too. Like if
Come
let's
on,
say
look.
if
Come on.
London,
Here, I see liquidity sweep. Go back a little. Like drag your chart back a little. There we are. Okay, right there. Where your purple line is? You see the
Yeah,
high right there?
yeah, right there, right there, right there.
No, go right, right. There you are, that high. Where
Yeah,
did it sweep?
yeah,
It swept all those highs right there. What do we do? Fucking
right
dump.
here, and then we dumped. Like
There
look
we
right
go.
here.
yeah.
I'll
We
show you.
consolidated right there. We
That's
took out the
literally
high
it.
right up
This
there.
wick right here swept all of this and it dumped right back
This
down.
is right now? Hold
Right,
on.
right.
I'm a,
This
I'm
is
I'm
this
gonna share
is
mine real quick.
Monday.
Let me
I
share
got
mine
you.
real quick. Right quick. I got you.
I'm
WCam
pretty sure
trades in
that's
the
what I took.
fucking shot. Come on, look at my screen real quick.
Yeah, one sec. Yeah, I
No
got you.
problem. Daddy. Okay. That was today, right?
Yeah.
That was literally right now, no?
No, that was
Mm-hmm.
Monday. Oh yeah, that was
That was like right here. Okay, cool. Let's go here.
It was
it's
what
literally
I took.
Asia Open. Literally Asia
Here we
Open. The
go.
first candle
Boom.
Asia Open.
Liquidity sweeps are dead ass everywhere. Right here, market comes down, sweeps, goes up. Market right here, sweeps, goes down. Market fucking, let's see again. Let's see. Uh, right here, market sweep on high time frame. Wait for it. High time frame, go 4. Oh fuck, it's gonna draw. Don't draw. What do we do?
That low key AMD.
Take out. Where'd it go? Oh fuck, where's my brush? Took out that high right there. This one took out that high. What do we do? Go down. This shit was just AIDS. You can't even say anything about that shit. That still don't count. That kid was a fucking bitch asshole. I don't know.
That's what we were talking about earlier. Whenever if it breaks structure, right? It could right after it could just reverse. It could break structure on a smaller time frame, but as oh my god,
My bad.
as long as it goes the other, it reverses
You trades. What are we
off that
doing?
later on, and on the higher time frame, it's still gonna make a candle wick like that, where
Yeah.
it's gonna be a sweep or it's gonna be a rejection.
There we go. Perfect example. Boom. sweep.
Yeah, like you can see it breaks structure on a lower time frame, but if you go to like a 1 hour or 4 hour, it's gonna look like it swept it rejected off of it.
Better ass, bro.
What else?
Liquidity sleep, man. Liquidity. Wait, that's all. That's all liquidity is, man.
That's literally what liquidity is, bro.
That's all it is, man.
That's literally what it is. Let's see. Is there anything else we did? What is liquidity? Where is liquidity found? We did buy side versus sell side liquidity. We said liquidity sweeps, breakout liquidity sweeps. And then why price targets liquidity? Okay, price targets liquidity because
There's orders.
what does market move off of?
Just
Market literally moves off of liquidity. If there was no liquidity in market would move like that. Like it would dead ass move like that. But we have liquidity in market. That's why there's always prices moving constantly every fucking second of the fucking day. So there's always people
basically
putting in orders.
and a
There's always
demand.
people selling orders. Literally supply and demand. That's literally all it is.
Yes, and demand type of a thing.
Like basic supply and demand. So, uh, liquidity is just resting orders. People are always placing orders. People are always sell contracts, buy contracts, and there's always people. Liquidity is one person or trading basics is just it's been going on for like 1,000 years, bro. Thousands of years. Someone gives something to get something else. So in the market, it's someone gets a buy order for a sell order or buy contract for a sell contract, and the other way around. So if someone has like back in the 1900s, it would be you have to call fucking stock exchange. They take like a couple of days.
Yeah, you would have to fucking call Jordan
Yeah,
Belfort and this bitch trying to
and
scam your
then
bitch ass.
and then they find someone that's able to even sell you a stock, right? Someone who's looking to sell
Yeah,
their
so
stock,
and
who gives it to you, then you buy it, and then it takes a couple days to get your
right,
paperwork, and you have a paper that says
right,
here's like your 3 shares of Apple or whatever. That's literally all this. But now for us
right. So
today,
in order to buy a stock, there would have to be someone selling that stock to you,
yeah,
and vice versa. If you want to sell a stock, there has to be someone buying it.
but today for us, it's for retail traders. It's like way easier. We have all this shit online. We have brokerages all over the fucking world. So yeah, it's just we have thousands of people selling, thousands of people fucking buying every second. So for us, it's much easier. But that's basically what liquidity is. Just someone you have to take advantage of where market makers are trying to fill in their orders in order to cause a liquidity sweep to go the other way. That's pretty much what liquidity sweeps are. We just have to think like market makers instead of thinking like retail traders. That's pretty much it. Because retail traders like let's get hold on. Let me do some real quick. Like for example, let's say retail traders. This is actually like perfect example. Retail traders right here. Retail traders right here. People are gonna buy because they see market's pushing all the way up. Right. Let's just keep buying. Let's keep buying. Let's keep buying. Let's say retail traders have 40 orders here. Buy orders plus 40, right? 40 buy orders. Let's say market makers have resting orders up here. Let's say they have 140 orders, right? Minus 140 orders. They have sell orders. They have market makers have 140 sell orders. And then retail traders have 40 buy orders, which keeps pushing price, edging price up, pushing price up. Once price gets to a certain level, we see how these swept all these orders. Let's say it's a total 140. Let's say market makers put in like 40 sell orders here, right? They have resting 40 sell orders here. They have at like this price, they have another 40. Let's say at like this top price, they have 100, right? That's why it wicked all the way up here and then it reversed. This was the highest point it went to before it actually caused a reaction. So 40, whatever, right? You get the point. Math is bad, I know, but just, just deal with it. More market maker orders compared to retail trader orders. So you have to look at the ratio here. 40 of a retail trader's orders versus 140 of a market maker's orders. Once price comes up, their market makers are always trying to reverse price. They're always trying to make the price push their way because they need their orders filled no matter what. They have people that they need to fill orders for. So they don't give a shit if you're losing money, making money. All these people, they got fucking fried right here. Like someone who places an order right here, people place a fuck ton of orders right here. Let's see. Where's the volume thing? Oh, I don't have my volume. Oh no, actually we good. Where's the 1.39K? Everyone who placed a trade here, they either took profit right here somewhere or they got absolutely fucking raped right here, bro. So market makers don't give a fuck if you make or lose money. You just have to be able to read the market through the market maker's eyes and read the market as a market maker, basically. You have to be able to see where
Yeah.
volume's going, where order flow is moving, to be able to see where market's gonna switch trend to follow that trend. You don't want to be on the there's only two sides of a trade, winning and losing, and you just want to be able to be on the winning side more than you want on the losing side. Because 100%, no one has a 100% win rate. Highest win rate someone has had in trading, I think, is like 85 or 90%, something like that. But
And that Patty has a 95% right
that's fucking, yeah, like genuinely, that's like a really high fucking number. But even if you had a 60 to 70% win rate, you're still good. You just got to be able to have bigger winners and more winners compared to losers. So it's pretty much it. You just got to start thinking like a market maker.
Right, right. And it's never that we are the market makers or we're the market movers. It's always we're just trying to follow what the market movers are
Yo,
trying to
fuck that.
do.
I'm the market maker.
So
I make this
we're
shit. Fuck that.
G.tradezz
so
move
we're
markets.
always just trying to follow the direction that the market movers are trying to
Yeah,
push the market into.
We just don't want to be on the retailer trader side of trading. We
Right,
are, but we
right,
want to be on the right side.
right.
But that's pretty much what liquidity is. So liquidity sweeps are. That's what buy side versus sell side is. That's what breakouts are. That's what fucking sweeps are. That's pretty much all liquidity. Tomorrow we'll try to do like a, if anything, probably later on the series, we might do like a part 2 of liquidity if we think of anything else as we go. But that's pretty much
Yeah,
liquidity
we'll
for now.
definitely try to do like a more detailed version
Yeah,
for it.
100%. Tomorrow we'll do like a little psychology break. We'll do a little check-in to see. We'll do a little psychology lesson for day 5. But
Yes, sir.
yeah, good shit. I hope you guys, if you have any questions, like, come on, I already know where to put them, bro. Discord, this shit below, bro. Join the Discord. The link will be in the bio. Come on, every morning we in that bitch hitting fucking bangers, bro. Come on.
Catch free trade.
Yes,
What are we
sir.
doing? That's
And
free
if y'all
songs, bro.
trying to,
What are you doing, bro?
yes, sir, free sauce. And if
Fuck.
y'all trying to really learn this shit, your homework off this video would be just to look for 5 breakouts and 5 liquidity sweeps and just try to figure out all the market moves you can with that.
Yeah, that and go back test, see how many times you
Back
can
test,
find.
yeah.
Yeah, find how many liquidity sweeps you can catch, how many liquidity sweeps you can identify before they happen, how many moves or like switch and trend you can identify before it even happens. So back test, start like right here, and you should be able to catch that shit like fuck, like this candle or this candle at this inverse, catch it right here, and you'd be like, okay, market might actually start dumping now because we had a liquidity sweep. Boom. You know, like
Or you should see it coming that we
yeah,
might have a
that's
liquidity
literally it.
sweep right there, or we might have a breakout structure.
All right, good shit, boys. Thank you guys. And
Yes, sir. Yes,
peace out.
sir.
Day 5.